What's up? Emil here. Um, kind of in the dark right now. We're here in Hudson Valley, New York. Blizzard 2010. We got over 2 feet. You're not going to be able to see outside right now. You can see a little bit of the snow. See a little bit. I'll go in the front. Got extension cords throughout the entire house. There's my cat, Tuesday. Hey, Tuesday. Just me and my cats right now. Everybody's out at my grandmother's house right now. I'm home alone at the moment. We got extension cords throughout the house, trying to not be so bored. Try to hook up the fridge and hook up our laptops and our phones and to keep them charged. And not much to really do. It's amazing how we always we always take things for granted and shit. Here we go. Look out the front. See if we can see some snow. See a little bit. We got at least 2.5 feet. Branches down. The roads are still shitty. The main snow happened last night. Yesterday and the last night. And got off. I had no work today. It's pretty good. I got a day off. But stayed inside all day. No shower. Because there's no water. So I'm just gonna try and make some food. I'm starving. Probably drink a few beers. Just trying to live life. When I get internet service back up again, I'll be putting this back up. But they're saying we were under state of emergency, and they're saying that we might be under no power and all that stuff until Sunday. It's Friday night right now, so looking for a long weekend. So that's about it. I just wanted to show everybody how we're living right now, living like Amish people. Got candles all over the house. None of them are lit because I just got home. I'm gonna light some and just kind of hang out and just fucking live life. All right, later.